for my own shop of cooking. Oh, whoa, 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 where am I? Okay, yeah, hi. Welcome to my YouTube channel, my Little Explorer. My name is Shringa Chala. Today we're going to start cooking or making rice, I guess. So for now, we're going to use these ingredients. This one, this one, this one, this one. And later, we're going to use this one, this one, this one. Well, you guys, we're going to name some stuff. So, this is obviously plain rice. I'm just going to take a little bit of them. And look, this is some plain rice. You can make this at home with the Instapot, which is right here. This is salt water from a sink, and this is drinking water from sink that is filtered right here. This is mesh. So like if you put a rice, for example, if we put a rice and we keep a little of any water, you can just mix it and the rice won't go, the liquid will go. Any liquid. This is for washing. For any liquid, like I said. So first, we are finally starting to cook. Finally, glad. And yeah, this is, you see 2 bowls. You see right here? I forgot this one. This is just putting cooking. This goes with the Instapot. And this is not a cooker. This is an Instapot. And the buttons are here. I'll show you which button to press on if you're making rice. Well, I will talk about this later. This is for last. 1 cup equals to 2 people can eat. For 2 glasses, 4 people can eat. Like I said, counting by 2s, like multiplying by 2s, let's say. Okay, we're not in math. Then that, if you put like, you know. So first, let's put this thing right here. I'll explain while I'm cooking. Making, whatever. Put the whole cup in. After that, let's put it here. Okay, hold it here. So let's take a zoom here. Here, until here, you should put water. How many glasses you want, but it should be until here. Okay? Okay, next, let's add some glasses of water. Well, if you're doing this, do it with the adults, please. Because I don't want your kitchen or anything to be messy, like water spills or anything. So, what I should, oh no, do you see what I mean? Yeah. So you keep it in here, and boom. Yeah. Oh no, by the way, the cooking is messy. Oh no, the water's leaking. I'm a bad teacher, am I? I had to lean this because, like I said, so you mix this. It becomes like this. And also that, if do you see this? You can just wash it with this part. Like, yeah, see? There's a lot of water right here, watery stuff. You can just finish watering this thing. Yeah. And you can just pour it right here. Then after that, we just keep it in here. We just pour it. And this one we had to measure. Oh, this is sticky. Finally. Woof. I feel like I should stop this. Oh yeah, I'm in the YouTube channel. Yeah. Well, I'm done with this. We got everything in here. Now, where is you guys all? Oh, right here. This is not the first. We're done washing. So we're gonna use this. Again, we use the rice cooker thing. First, we should add 2 glasses. Okay. So this is, guys, this is going to be creepy. If you have an adult or guardian or a parent or guardian, whatever, any adult, trusted adult, let's say, you may do it. 1 glass of water. Now another glass, because I said, so let's say for a second one, like this is drinking water because for washing that sink water, for actually cooking it, that is drinking water. For washing, you don't need actual amount. For cooking, you need actual amount. Like, so I'm telling you 2 glasses is enough. So you can just mix it again, like boom. Just do. Yeah. So if you see, I put 1 glass of rice. So if I put 1 glass of rice, that equals 2 glasses of water. So if I put 10 glasses of rice, I should put 20 glasses of water. Get it what I'm saying? It's multiplication multiplied by 2. Well, I'm not a math teacher. It's Little Explorer, so we're exploring. Well, it's mixed with math. Some cooking is mixed with math, so yeah. Well, again, we have a puzzle. Come closer, let's zoom. So, do you see a word close here and open? It has arrows. So this is closed and this is open. So we need to open right now. Yeah. Okay, so we see Instapot right here. We have this. So we're gonna put this inside. Yikes, are you sure this is correct? Actually, no, not cooking. Wait. I don't think this is correct. Wait, actually, let me figure this out. Oh, yes, like here. Now, again, look at the sun right here. It says close. Now, are we opening or are we closing? Close. It's locked. Now, we had to put this plug. I have right here, which is so small, and it can't reach. So, I just pulled a little bit back. Or, yeah, let's do it here. Bottom cables are the best ones. Okay. Now it's off. Well, all you see, there's no button for on, isn't it correct? That's quite confusing. Actually, I'm going to tell a fact about this, like right now. So, this is not only for rice. Look, if you zoom in, there's buttons here. You can see rice, multigrain. There's so many things you can add in this thing. Curries, like I don't know if anybody knows curries or do. Well, curries is what? Like anything, meat, anything, beans, chili, cake. So right here, there's so many options, but we're gonna go back to it later. Now, where is the rice button? Somebody should know. You can go to the comments and say north, which is here, south, which is here, west, which is here, and east, which is there. Northeast, southwest, northwest, and south, east. Tell me where it is, and I'm not going to show you this, so all you have to do is press the rice button. That's all. Yeah, see? It's cooking. It's already cooking. Interesting, right? Well, now it's taking 14 minutes time. Well, we're going to see this out. Like, it says 14 minutes right here. Right here. You guys see? So it's taking 14 minutes time and some so and so seconds. So we're gonna come back to this, and I'm gonna see you guys in 14 minutes. Say it again. 14 minutes. Oh my god. It's been 14 minutes. Oh, hi guys. Oh my god, am I doing the YouTube channel? Okay, hi guys. So, it's an end here. You can zoom closer to look at this end. Now, keep zooming. Now you can just press cancel or to be off. Then, right here, let's take out the cable. And we're going to open this after 5 minutes. Again, 5 minutes. So, see you after 5 minutes. So, because the reason is the steam has to go away. Do 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 do. And yeah. Oh my God! YouTube channel. I forgot. Okay, yes. Yeah. First, we have to open it again. Come closer. Zoom, please. Close and open. Which way do I have to go? Here or here? Here. You're a professional at this. Make it open. So there will be water leaking out. Just letting you know that. Look at the water. And if you come in here, it's closer. It's hot. Wow. Oh my God, it's so warm. I just want to take rice out. I just want to keep it on my face. We'll get back to business. Well, this is my end of the video and it's actually done, finished. If you want to learn or we can show you, we're going to make a video about kitchen appliances. And how they work. So we'll see you and put it down in the comments. And please subscribe, like, and comment and share. Bye guys.